How to fix camera crashing on Moto G77. Let's start the video first of all if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library and restart phone. Just click on side power button and volume up button and restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library. Scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps and see all apps, scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera crashing on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.